Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to clear Safari cache and cookies using your iPhone. If your Safari on your iPhone is running slowly or some websites aren't working right, then clearing your cache and cookies can help. First of all, make sure that you unlock your iPhone and then open up the Settings app from your home screen. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Under Apps, look for Safari. Once you find Safari, tap on it, and on the next page, scroll down until you see the Clear History and Website Data button and tap on that. Now select the time frame you want to clear the history from and then click on Clear History. Soon after you do that, Safari will automatically clear your browsing history, cache, and cookies. To fully refresh the app, first close your Safari browser and then reopen it again. So that's how you successfully clear Safari's cache and cookies on your iPhone. This can also free up storage, speed up browsing, and fix website glitches. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.